So, hi everybody, this is a small quest for test automation, or rather how we test operating systems multiple times a day in different architectures at SUSE and openSUSE. So for quite some time, we have been using OpenQA, which is an automated testing tool. It divides itself in three different parts. So first we have the web UI, which is the one taking care of scheduling jobs and provisioning the assets so that the workers can actually do their job. It gives you different dashboards. Here quickly you can see the state of the build, and if there is a test that you're interested into, you can dig down a little bit and start investigating what happened. So you can see that the test data that was used for that particular test. You can see the videos, and you can take a look at the test logs. If your test is currently running, you can tell OpenQA, hey, I want you to stop when the screen is not matching, or I want you to stop on the next command. It will stop. It will allow you to connect through VNC, for instance. You can do also SSH. And from there on, you can also see the test driver live log and the system under test, the serial console of the system under test. If you keep digging down a little bit, you can see why a screen in particular didn't match. So in this case, it's 0%, but it could be also 97%. So a few pixels that didn't move, so you can check that. You can also verify script output, and you can see why some particular output didn't validate, or and even more. Basically, what we do is we tell OpenQA, this is a product, this is what we want to test. This is more or less how our tests are looking like. And then we have this concept of machines that are comprised of architectures and worker classes. And the worker is the one that is downloading everything from the web UI and putting it into a particular directory that OS Auto-Twins can take over. And OS Auto-Twins is the actual test driver, is the one that exposes different APIs. One of them is the locking API, or what we call the locking API, that allows you to chain jobs or run jobs in parallel. It also allows you to interact with a particular system using domain-specific language. So if you as a user, you will write echo hello world, or you would like to call the Perl debugger at some point, you can just type the string, and OpenQA will do that for you. It can also verify that the screen of reference that you have is really matching what is being shown right now in the video. And if you have a test that is running for a long time, you can tell OpenQA, okay, I want you to wait for this amount of time until this pattern comes up, and then if it doesn't, the test dies. And speaking about tests, OS Auto-Twins allows you to run on multiple backends. So it ranges from ARM to PowerPC, mainframe, and also bare metal. And talking about mainframe, this is how we are interacting with mainframe. So we are basically firing up one machine inside the 3270 console. If your system under test has everything installed for interacting with Azure, we also do that. And what we are doing here is testing our images in Azure. So every build is being tested this way. We do the same for Amazon Cloud and other public clouds. And say that you have your own test suite that you want to run, you can also do that. And even more, if you want to just capture the script output, put it somewhere, do something with it, you can also do that. The test API is quite extensive, and it's worth checking it out. And that's it. Thank you very much.
Okay, Andrea, your slide.